In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the topic differentiating a finite geometric sequence from an infinite geometric sequence. So, meron tayong types of geometric sequence. Una, meron tayong finite geometric sequence. Pangalawa, meron naman tayong infinite geometric sequence. So, pag-usapan muna natin, ano ba ang a finite geometric sequence? So, a finite geometric sequence has a specific number of terms. It starts with an initial term and ends after a certain number of terms. So, yung ating finite geometric sequence ay tukoy natin kung ilang terms yung nandoon sa ating sequence. So, let's say we have this sequence. So, meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na terms. So, ang ating number of terms ay 4. So, this sequence has 4 terms. So, bilang natin, tukoy natin. So, nagtatapos yung ating sequence sa certain number of terms. So, in this case, meron tayong 4 na terms. So, this sequence is a finite geometric sequence. We can also illustrate a finite geometric sequence using a notation. So, dito sa ating notation, meron tayong a sub 1 as our first term, a sub 2 as our second term, a sub 3 for our third term, at meron tayo ditong a sub n. So, ibig sabihin, merong end term itong ating geometric sequence. So, nabanggit natin, merong end, merong last term. So, meaning, this sequence is a finite geometric sequence. Pagdating naman sa infinite geometric sequence, an infinite geometric sequence continues indefinitely, without an end. It also starts with an initial term and progresses by multiplying each term by a common ratio. So, yung ating infinite geometric sequence ay dire-diretso lang, indefinitely, yung ating terms without an end. So, hindi siya natatapos. So, let's say we have this sequence. So, meron tayong 1, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8. So, kung mapapansin natin, meron tayo ditong 3 dots o yung tinatawag nating ellipsis. So, yung ellipsis natin indicates that this sequence continues indefinitely. So, walang katapusan itong ating sequence. So, sabi nga natin, this sequence goes on forever. So, it makes this sequence infinite. So, sa ating infinite geometric sequence, ang ellipsis ang pinaka-palatandaan natin para masabing ang isang sequence ay infinite o walang katapusan. So, ito ay applicable din tulad sa ating arithmetic sequence. So, pag may ellipsis sa dulo, ito ay infinite sequence. So, in our case, we have infinite geometric sequence.